we're going to create our maze. I have gone and opened up a blank Google document and I named it, I titled it Maze. So you need to do that. And I'm going pretty quickly because I only have 5 minutes to do the video. You're going to go to Insert, Table. And you need to drag this down. You're going to make it a 14 by 14. It's kind of persnickety, so you kind of just have to fool with it, like I am. 15, 14, so I'm going up to 14 by 14. So you want your table 14 by 14. And you're going to click, it will look like this. Then you're going to select your whole table, and you're going to go to your line spacing right here, and you're going to put it on double. Okay? While you still have it selected, you're going to go right here to border color. You pick whatever border color floats your boat. Okay? I picked blue, but you pick whatever you want to pick. Now, you're going to make a maze that is going to start here and it's going to end down here. So, you're going to make paths, and I'm going to show you what I mean in a minute. You have to have at least 15. So, to do this, let's say I'm going to do a maze and I'm going to make that a path. I'm going to select those cells, right click, and I'm going to do merge cells. That takes away all the lines. So that's my first path. And then I'm going to go to my paint bucket, background color, and make it whatever color I want. So there's path 1. Your goal is to get down here to your end. Now for path 2, I can't click on that one where the orange is and come down. It'll select them all. Okay, so I'm going to just have to go down on the one below it. And if I'm going to make that my second path, I messed up, so Control Z is your friend. If I go there, and I'm going to go to my paint bucket and pick another color, that's path 2. Okay? And then remember, you're going to have to click here, and then if I go over here, I'm going to go to my paint bucket, pick another color. Now I have 3 paths, 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to notice that there is a line left in between your paths, but that's okay. I forgot to merge cells on here. So I got to click, and I've got to do merge cells. So see, even with merging cells, Google Docs, I don't know why, leaves a line. So I'm going to click those across for those 3. Because see, if I try to do all 4, it's going to highlight everything. So I'll do those 3, right click, merge cells. Now I have 1, 2, 3 paths. Then I would go down, and that would be my 4th path. Okay? And I've got to right click and do merge cells. And what you want is to get at least 15 paths in your maze that you end up over here. Okay? Once you get that, you will type the word start up here in all caps. And you will type, after you get your maze done, you'll go to this one and type end. Okay? I have put an example of my maze on my module, okay, to show you an example of mine. After you get all that done, then you're going to put pictures, like maybe 3. So wherever you have some blank space, if I selected this right here, those cells, and did merge, now I've got a blank space, okay? And then I can go to Insert, Image, excuse me, search from web. And I'm going to do a St. Patrick's Day when you can do anything you want. So I'm going to do a St. Patrick's Day flip art. And I'm going to come up. All right, I like that one. So I'm going to do that. Click Insert. And it's going to put it right here. And that's because I have blank space and I merge cells. Okay, but that will be after your whole maze is done. And then you could go to somewhere else that you have blank cells and do the same thing and put in another picture. And I will help you with all this, okay? But that's how you're going to do it. You would do merge cells, insert image, search the web, and if I put a clover, I'll just do that for now. It's going to put it in here, okay? But that would be after your whole maze is done, and we'll have to work with it because see, that will make your cells look funky, make them too big.